Welcome to From Our Perspective. Today, I'm joined by litigation partner Kit Davlin to discuss a case involving a luxury apartment complex in downtown Denver. Our clients were residents who experienced major issues while living there, including flooding, water damage, and breach of their lease agreements. Kit helped numerous residents get the compensation they deserved. Kit, thank you for joining me today. Tell me more about your clients and the problems they were facing.
Well, we've represented many clients, both on the landlord and tenant side of several of these sorts of issues. In this particular case, we represented two sets of clients who were being evicted from a luxury apartment unit. They fought those, we fought those at trial, and we were successful on behalf of both sets of tenants. After that, other tenants came forward and let us know that they were having some of the same sorts of issues. We brought suit on behalf of many tenants, and those were consolidated all into one large case.
And in addition to the flooding, tell me a little bit more about some of the issues that the tenants were facing.
The tenants faced a number of issues beyond just water intrusion. The flooding, they also had closure of amenities, pools, gyms, elevators. They also were facing a significant pushback from the management company and the ownership of the building, which looked like a breach of the lease contract to us.
And when that time came and the management wanted to make some of those repairs, what happened to the residents then?
Well, the landlords under the lease agreement had certain obligations that they had agreed to. Both parties had agreed to a contract, and that contract was enforceable. So in this case, the landlord should have done certain things that they were refusing to do. And the tenants felt that they had been wronged. We agreed with them, and so we brought suit.
And in this lawsuit, what were the damages you were seeking?
We were seeking damages for breach of contract, that is the lease agreement, also violation of certain statutory rights that all tenants have under Colorado law, as well as certain fraud and CCPA, that's the Colorado Consumer Protection Act claims.
And ultimately, what was the outcome of this case?
There was a settlement, so we can't speak of the terms of that settlement, but the tenants that we represented were very happy with the outcome.
And after they were dealing with this issue for so many years, what's been the reaction of your clients?
They're very happy. They get to move on, then they have the ability to move to new places and move on with their lives.
And Kit, what advice do you have for anyone who might be renting and in a similar situation?
My advice is to always look at your lease agreement first. Now, some of those lease agreements can be many pages in length. In these particular cases, they exceeded 50 pages. That's a pretty dense contract. But my team at Robinson Henry can take a look at that and help you determine if there's been a violation of the lease agreement or a violation of statutory laws that surround what the landlord-tenant situation should be.
Great advice, Kit. Thank you for sharing your perspective.
Always happy to help.
If you're renting and dealing with unsafe living conditions, you have rights and legal options. Reach out to us for a case assessment on our website or give us a call.